Hello, and thank you for this opportunity. My name is Eder Almeida. I am machinery operator and truck driver with a strong background in agriculture. I grew up in a family farm where I learned how to operate and maintain different types of heavy machinery like tractors, planters, harvesters, sprayers, from brands such as John Deere, KZ8, and Massey Ferguson. Later became an agronomist with gave deeper understanding of the crop cycles, soil management, and modern farm techniques. I am experienced with precision agriculture technologies like GPS systems and variable rate application using data to improve field performance and productivity. Throughout my career, including positions at C-Valley, BISF, and other companies, I operate machines and trucks up to 77,000 pounds for field trials, transport, and large-scale farm tasks. I am proactive, detail-oriented, and committed to safety and efficiency. I am always ready to solve problems and get the job done. Right now, I am improving my business English, and I am fully prepared to relocate to US. Thank you so much.
Nem dá pra mostrar muito.